and welcome to this second video of my new YouTube channel that is the start of our ongoing, I was going to say incessant, constant material on how you can grow your property investing and real estate investing business through your use of LinkedIn. In my first video, I talked about why you should be utilizing LinkedIn. And on this video, I'm going to talk about how to create a powerful, personal, professional property profile. What a mouthful. And the 9 points to create a profile. I'm going to cover the first 3 points on things you can actually go away and do. And this content is distilled from over 10 years of me working with especially property investors, real estate investors around the world, if you're outside of the UK, and business owners generally on how to utilize LinkedIn. A platform that I think is the most powerful platform in the world today to be able to find, connect, and engage with anybody in the world. I've worked with investors on how they can find land deals, property deals, how they can raise cash from people with cash and joint venture deals with property investors and find power teams and professionals. I worked with a property developer in London who wanted to find cash investors in the Far East, because the British investors will know there's lots of people in the Far East looking to invest in real estate in the UK in the same way that it is all over the world. So before we start, subscribe to the channel, set your notifications on so that you get notification of other videos I'm putting up here, and comment in the comments below. Ask me any questions that you want to do. Connect with me on LinkedIn. You will get some automated messages. That's a subject for another video. Ignore those. Any message you send me on LinkedIn, I will personally reply, as I will personally reply to any questions or comments you got in the box below, because I'm looking forward to sharing with you so much that you can do. So let's jump straight in. I said in the previous video, there's two sides to LinkedIn. One is about getting your personal profile optimized and powerful enough so that it gives value to the reader before going out with the numerous strategies and things you can do on LinkedIn to get and engage with those people you want to get to. So let's jump straight in. First thing to look now, let me get this out of the way, I guess. LinkedIn is huge. It's a leviathan. LinkedIn constantly changes things. I have a sort of love-hate relationship with them. If you're the sort of perfectionist that angsts over things going, I don't know why this functions here, I don't like it, I don't get value from it, it will drive you mad. My background as a business coach is very much about keeping an open mind. And my rule is, if there's a function there or a facility there, let's use it to serve us. How can I work it to serve me from a business development, marketing background? And as a business coach, part of what I want to do is challenge the way you've looked at things so that you can get better results, so you can use LinkedIn more profitably, more productively. So my rule is, it is what it is, it's there. Let's use each function to serve us best. Probably get that out of the way first, I think. So, number one, the banner at the top. Your stock standard banner is this blue sky with stars. The aim is that you want to get noticed, you want to get found. I said LinkedIn is hugely busy, people are swiping around and surfing around. You need to stand out and grab attention. So personalize the banner. Keep it simple. Let it say what it does on the tin. Don't spend lots of time with it. If you can easily design something, great. If you need to get a designer to help you, do. What you'll see in the links, the comments below here, is there's a document called the 9 points to creating a powerful personal profile. It's yours to download for free. It covers these points and it will give you some ideas. As a business coach, I don't care what you think about me. I care about what you go away and do. I have lots of people thinking about me in different ways. I don't care. I care about what you go away and actually apply and do. And that is the difference. This stuff can be simple. People say, oh, it's common sense. Common sense isn't that common. One of the things I want you to do is wear two hats. The strategies I'm talking about, yes, apply them into LinkedIn, and ask yourself, where else can I use these principles, these marketing strategies, these psychologies in the rest of your business? So keep it simple. Let it say what it does on the tin. People are busy swiping around. Your aim is to stand out and get noticed so that people then look at your profile. So give some attention to that. Next bit is your profile photo. I say keep this simple. Now, there's so many people out there. I met a lady the other day who hasn't got a photo. And I've got business owners and investors say, I won't engage with you. I wonder what you're hiding. LinkedIn is a tool to generate relationships. Marketing and business is about developing relationships. You're going to miss an opportunity if you haven't got a profile there. You'll also see in the comment boxes below, there's a link to my online course that I've released recently. And it's a distillation of 10 years of coaching property investors one-on-one. I would deliver and help them work through all of this over 12 weeks. And those guys and girls would invest £3,000 for that. What I've done is put it all into an online course that you've got forever, and I've called it LinkedIn Mastery for Property Investors. So if you know you should be using this and you want to dive straight into that, the link's there to go look at the site and buy that. We can engage then, and I'm happy to hook up with you at the end of it and see what you've implemented. And it delves into each of these points in far more detail, far more around the psychology of marketing and sales. And if you're stuck, if you've got perceptions and beliefs as to why you don't like something. So the amount of people I've had who said, I don't like my photograph. I had one lady say that. I said, but I found your photo on Google. I found it on your website. This is what you look like. Get over it. My rule is keep it simple. Everything in marketing and business should be simple. Head and shoulder shot on a clear background. Not a full body shot. I can't see you. This helps you create more rapport. People are checking you out. When you're engaging with someone, I'm pulling up people's profiles to look at them when I'm on the phone. I've now got a deeper relationship with them because I can see you. So not a full body shot, I can't see you. Not a photo of you and your best man because I don't know which one it is. If your name is, neutral gender by Sam. There was a Sam I connected with. There was a picture of a guy and a woman. I didn't know which one it was. Keep it simple. Head and shoulders shot on a clear background. It is a professional platform. So you may want a professional photo. You may want to get a photographer in. Where else can you be using this? You should have your photos on your email banners, your websites, your business cards, your other social media. So think about where you can use this. Actually, I'm going to give you 4 steps, not 3, because the third one is your name, as you want to be called. I'm only Andrew if I've upset my mom. We delve deeper in the online course, especially in property investing. If you're in financial services and you've studied hard and you've got letters after your name, why you shouldn't be using those and how you could be using those. But for the sake of this short video, just as you want to be called, make it easy for people to know how to refer to you. And then the 4th step is your headline, this bit underneath your name. Your headline is the most important part of anything you say and do in marketing in your business. Whether it's an email headline, an advert headline, a direct mail headline, your headline needs to say what you do for people and how you help them. I call it WIFM, what's in it for me? What is it you do for people? So I call it the WIFM statement. You see I've got delivering on your LinkedIn strategy to help you grow your business. And I split that up with a few search terms, property investor, professional speaker, that's what I want to get found for. And I split them up with stars, and people say, where do you get the stars from? Just keep it simple, copy and paste mine. So you want a headline that stands out, grabs attention, tells people what you do for them, so they're going to then want to look at the rest of your profile. If I just look briefly, if I take you back, not to that guy, maybe I want to take you forward to, come on, LinkedIn. A great client of mine called Tim Matcham, client friend of mine. You'll see what he's done. I've worked with him. You'll actually see there's a link in the comments below of a great video testimonial from Tim talking about the acres of land deals he's achieved, the hundreds of thousands of pounds worth of cash investors he's found and worked with through his use of LinkedIn as a result of applying what we've worked on together. You can see what he's done with his banner. Nice. Headshot photos, okay. He's chopped the top of his head off. He could do a little bit better. And then his headline, there's a few things he could do to make it even more effective. But he's got igniting greatness in you to take action to attract armchair investors for your property deals. He's an author and a coach coaching investors how to find cash investors for their deals. The moment he's done that, he's got more people viewing his profile and connecting with him. If you look down here at other people's profiles, founder at Tropic Skincare doesn't really tell me what you do. This lady here, she sort of said property investment sources. She split it up, and she could do better, but her profile photo doesn't serve her, so I can't see her. This guy's photo, it's good, but CEO at Hermes, I can only guess what he does. It's not going to stand out and tell me what's in it for me. Igniting greatness in you to take action to attract armchair investors. Awesome. So there's 4 things there you want to do. You want to work on your banner so it stands out, grabs attention. Think about your professional photo, your name, and invest some time. In my online course that I've mentioned before, LinkedIn Mastery for Property Investors, it suits any business owner. I've just had a business owner buy it. What I've said is the case studies and the examples I talk about are sort of real estate, property relevant, but the strategies and principles are the same for anybody using LinkedIn. In there, we talk through much deeper psychology, and we've got crib sheets as to what makes a great headline. And there's sort of homework there for you to go and brainstorm different types of headlines and see what works. So we delve into it in much more depth. And so you want to give some time to creating a powerful headline that gets you found and grabs attention. Because in the next video, we're going to come on to the next steps. That headline is the most important. The next 2 are the next 2 important things. Because if that grabs attention, people are going to look at the next bit. You can see the about section down there. We'll talk about that on the next video. So I trust that's giving you something you can go away and do. As I've said, go help yourself to the 9 points to create a powerful personal profile that's below. Have a look at the video testimonial there from Tim, and have a look at, if you're ready to jump into it, at the LinkedIn Mastery for Property Investors course there. Reach out to me. If you've got any questions, put them here on the channel, or as I say, connect with me on LinkedIn, or both. I will personally reply and respond to anybody. So thanks for watching. More importantly, go take some action on something. You will find a difference. And I look forward to seeing you online on the next one.